So the next topic we are going to learn is Apprenez à comparer. So we are going to learn to compare things. Now in English, to compare we have the simple, the comparative and the superlative degree. In French, these are the examples of few sentences where we compare two or three things. So here the words we need to remember is plus. Plus means more. So if you want to say something is better or to a higher level than the particular one we are speaking, we use plus. Plus means more. And the opposite of that is moins. Moins means less. Plus is more and moins is less. And to indicate that both are of equal quality, we use the word aussi. Aussi. So these are three words we need to remember. Now let us read these sentences. Marie est grande. So Marie is tall or big, grande. Hélène est plus grande. So the word here is plus. It means more. So Marie est grande, Hélène est plus grande. The next sentence, Marie est une bonne étudiante. So here, bon, good. Hélène est meilleure. This means better. So some words have a completely different verb in the word in the comparative degree. So for some of the words, for the adjectives, we use plus, moins and aussi. Moving on to the next sentence. L'hôtel du centre est un bon hôtel. Again, bon. So it is replaced with meilleur. L'hôtel du palais est meilleur, better. The next sentence. Hélène parle bien anglais. So here the adjective is bien. Marie parle mieux. So this is how we compare. These are the words we use to compare two different things or two different people. Marie est grande, Hélène est plus grande. So in most of the cases we use plus or moins. So now if I replace plus with moins, it means Hélène est moins grande. She is smaller than Marie. So this is how we compare in French. So now we will do some exercises to see how we use this comparison.